So today we will be making microwave Rice Krispies. Let's get started. So this is what you will need. Marshmallows, a quarter butter, and the Rice Krispies. So first you'll add in the butter. And then gonna add the And now you'll melt it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Stir it off the outside of the microwave, guys. Mix it this way. And then put it in the microwave again for 1 minute. Mix it one more time and throw in the Rice Krispies. Cream cheese. Place it into a bowl with lunch meat. And spread it. And then place it in the fridge for 15 minutes. So this is how it looks, guys. And now we'll be doing a taste test. So guys, it wasn't quite ready yet, so we popped it in the freezer for 10 minutes. Now let's try it. Mmm. Mmm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.